In today's video, we're going to walk through how to build a WooCommerce store on Hostinger from start to finish. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been thinking about selling online but are not sure where to start, WooCommerce is one of the most flexible and affordable ways to build your store. The great thing about WooCommerce is that it runs on WordPress, which means you can create a store that is not only powerful, but also fully customizable. Pair that with Hostinger's hosting, which is fast and beginner friendly, and you have everything you need to build a professional e-commerce website without spending thousands of dollars. Why WooCommerce and Hostinger work so well together. So WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress that turns your website into a fully functioning online store. With it, you can sell physical products, digital products, or even services. You can manage inventory, accept payments, calculate taxes, and handle shipping all in one place. Hostinger is a hosting provider that is optimized for WordPress and WooCommerce. That means your site runs faster, your store stays secure, and you get tools like one-click installation, automatic updates, and backups. Speed and reliability matter because online shoppers will leave if your site loads slow or crashes during checkout. Together, WooCommerce and Hostinger give you a low-cost but very powerful foundation for your online business. And before we move into the actual setup and walkthrough, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this combination so effective. The first thing you'll notice is flexibility. Because WooCommerce runs on WordPress, you have complete freedom to design your store the way that you want. You're not limited to rigid templates or locked into a platform's rules. You can customize the look, feel, and functionality of your store so it truly matches your brand. Another feature that stands out is product management. WooCommerce makes it easy to add as many products as you want, organize them into categories, and even set up variations like colors, sizes, or styles. You can trade stock levels, schedule sales, and manage inventory without needing extra tools. Payments are also super straightforward. WooCommerce connects with PayPal and Stripe right out of the box, and you can extend it to dozens of other payment gateways. That means your customers can pay with credit cards, digital wallets, or whatever method works best for them, which is the key for building trust. Shipping flexibility is built in as well. You can offer free shipping, flat rates, or live carrier calculations. You can also create shipping zones so that customers in different regions can see the correct options and costs. This kind of customizations really helps reduce cart abandonment because people know exactly what to expect. Security is another big advantage. So Hostinger provides a free SSL certificate, and WooCommerce itself is updated frequently to stay ahead of vulnerabilities. Add in Hostinger's daily backups and malware protection, and your store is well covered. And finally, there is scalability. You can start small, maybe with just a handful of products, and grow into a large store without needing to change platforms. WooCommerce has thousands of extensions that let you add advanced features like subscriptions, memberships, or even bookings whenever you're ready. With these features in mind, let's move into the actual process of building your store so you can see how all of it comes together in real life. So step number one is to actually get hosting and install WordPress. So I recommend Hostinger. Like I said, that's what I'm going to be walking you through. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and use our exclusive link down in the description below. Then you can go ahead and get signed up with Hostinger. We're going to dive into the pricing a little bit later, but what you're going to want to do is click start now and choose a plan that fits for you. Now, once you are logged in, this is what the homepage will look like. We're going to go ahead and go to websites, and we're going to go ahead and click add website. So to install WordPress, we're going to go ahead and click WordPress right here. Then you're going to want to create login details for your WordPress account. So go ahead and add a WordPress admin email and administrator password. Then we'll click next. We're actually going to click create blank site for now. Then you can go ahead and choose a domain or subdomain you'd like to use. You can just search right here if you would like. I already used a Hostinger because it's on actually my website. But again, you can choose your domain, or we can use a temporary domain, which is what we're going to do for now. Now we're just going to let WordPress do its thing and install. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is pick a theme. So your theme controls the design of your store. Step number two is to install WooCommerce. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and go to plugins. We're going to add plugin, and then we're just going to search WooCommerce. Cool, we'll click install now, installed, then we're going to click activate. This plugin transforms your WordPress site into an actual store. So WooCommerce will open a setup wizard that guides you through the basics, where you'll enter in your store name, your business location, the currency you want to use, and all of the types of products you plan to sell. Step number 3 is to choose and customize your theme. So we're going to go ahead and go to appearance and then themes, and your theme controls the design of your store. And WooCommerce works with almost any WordPress theme, but for better best results, choose a theme that is designed specifically for e-commerce. So again, we're at appearance, themes. We'll go ahead and go to add theme. So as you can see, there is a bunch to choose from. We can choose any of these. You can go ahead, details in preview, just to see what it looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and install this one. Activate. I'm gonna go ahead and import demo. Cool. Now we've got everything set up, and now we are ready to customize everything. Step number 4 is to add products. So in the WordPress dashboard, we'll click products, and here you can see we've got some just demo products in there. To add a new product, you'll just click right here. This is where you'll add product name, description, price, and any images. You can also assign categories and tags to keep your store super organized. WooCommerce also allows you to set stock levels, add variations like sizes or colors, and even schedule sales prices. For digital products, you can upload files that customers download after purchase. The more detail you provide, like clear photos and helpful descriptions, the more likely customers are to buy. So again, all you'll do is insert product name, you'll add a description, you can add the regular price, so maybe it's $39.99, the sale price. You also can schedule this as well. Then you can track inventory by adding the SKU. You can go ahead and add the shipping details right here, any other linked products, so like an upsell or a cross sell, any attributes you want to add, like the name and then the, the length or the weight or whatever it may be, any other options as well. And then you can go ahead and save draft and then publish when you're ready. Step number 5 is to set up payments. Now you need to decide how you want to get paid. So WooCommerce integrates with major gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and even direct bank transfers. So what we'll do is go to WooCommerce, we'll go to settings, payments, and this is where you will go ahead and install. If you want to just accept payments with Woo, this is credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay. You'll just click install and you've activated it. Step number 6 is to configure shipping. So shipping is another part of your setup. So WooCommerce lets you create shipping zones, methods, and rates. For example, you could set a flat $5 shipping fee for the US or offer free shipping over $50 or calculate live rates through carriers. So what you'll do is, again, we'll be in this settings section right here. We'll go ahead and go to shipping, and this is where you can add a shipping zone. So you'll add a zone name, you'll add the regions, and then you can add a shipping method like free or flat rate. Step number 7 is to secure your store. So Hostinger provides a free SSL certificate, which ensures that your store uses HTTPS. This is critical for building trust with your customers and for processing payments securely. You want to make sure SSL is active in your Hostinger H panel and that your WordPress site is using the HTTPS version of your domain. You also can install security plugins like WordFence to add extra protection against attacks. Step number 8 is to test your store before you launch. So place a test order, add a product to your cart, go through checkout, and confirm that payment and shipping works correctly. Testing ensures that your customers will not run into any issues on launch day. And just so you're aware, so obviously we have set up our website, but if you want to edit any of the pages, what you'll do is come over here to pages. As you can see, we've got shop, services, refund, privacy, my account, home, content, checkout, cart, and blog. So you can go ahead and edit any of these. Okay, so you'll want to make sure you come in here and edit each of these pages. So we can preview what the refund and returns policy is. You'll obviously want to update all of this. You'll want to, again, look at the shop page and of course edit all of your products, etc. You can view and edit the checkout page as well, right? So again, I just viewed all of them, but if you wanted to edit the checkout page, you just click edit, and then you can come in here and customize everything. To add any blocks, you just come up here, drag everything in, and then as soon as you're done, you'll click save. As soon as you've customized everything, you'll want to, of course, publish your site. But like I said, make sure you test everything out and make sure everything runs smoothly before publishing. Now, I just wanted to talk about the pros and cons of building WooCommerce store on Hostinger so you can decide if this is the right route for you and your business. Starting off with the pros. So there are several advantages to this setup. It's affordable because WooCommerce is free and Hostinger offers very low cost plans. It's also flexible because WooCommerce has thousands of extensions for marketing, SEO, and advanced features. It's also scalable, meaning you can start small and grow without switching platforms. And with Hostinger, your store is backed by fast, reliable hosting that keeps loading times very low. Now for the cons. Of course, there are a few challenges as well. well. And because WooCommerce runs on WordPress, you are responsible for updates and maintenance. If you install too many plugins, your site can really slow down. There also is a learning curve. So if you're brand new to WordPress, it might take some time to actually learn it. And while Hostinger makes setup easy, you still may need to troubleshoot occasionally compared to fully managed platforms like Shopify. Okay, now lastly, let's just take a look at the different plans and pricing options. Like I said, we do have a link down below. You'll just click start here. So we've got a couple plans here. So we've got the premium website builder and the business website builder. You can save up to 75% off of these, and I'm going to show you how to save even more. So the premium website builder is $2.99 plus 3 months free. With this, you get 25 websites, 2 mailboxes per website, free domain, AI website builder, email marketing, and more. Then you've got the most popular plan, which is the business website builder, which is $3.99 per month plus 3 months free. And that is for a 48-month term. With this plan, you get 50 websites, 5 mailboxes per website, free for 1 year. And then you also get sell products and services, 0% transaction fee, 100 plus payment methods, print on demand, and some AI features as well. What's cool about Hostinger too is they have a 30-day money back guaranteed. So if you try for the 30 days and you don't feel like it's the best fit, you can go ahead and get your money back. So there really is no harm in getting set up with them. If you want to go ahead and choose this plan, when you are checking out, to save an extra 10% off, you want to use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout, and you can save an extra 10% as well. I do want to mention too that the longer term you sign up for, the better price you're going to get. So you could sign up for a 24-month contract and you're still saving some, but not as much as if you would have done a 48-month term. So just make sure you're aware of that when you are checking out. So should you use WooCommerce on Hostinger? And should you actually build your store this way? If you want maximum flexibility and low upfront costs, the answer is absolutely yes. WooCommerce gives you full control, and Hostinger provides fast, budget-friendly hosting to support it. If you prefer a more done-for-you platform with less setup, you might choose something like Shopify instead. But if you want to own your site fully and customize it however you like, WooCommerce and Hostinger are a perfect match. So now I just wanted to give a few extra tips for success. So here are a few extra strategies to make your WooCommerce store thrive. Always optimize your images to keep your site fast. Install an SEO plugin like Yoast to improve your visibility in Google. Use an email marketing plugin to build relationships with customers, and of course, back up your site regularly so you're protected if anything goes wrong. Now that wraps up this video. I just want to remind you that building an online store can feel overwhelming at first, but breaking it into steps makes it super simple. Start with hosting, install WordPress, add WooCommerce, and then customize as you grow. Once you take the first step, everything else builds on top of it. If you're ready to launch your WooCommerce store with Hostinger, don't forget to use our exclusive link in the description below and use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It really just helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build smarter e-commerce stores and showing you the best tools to grow online. If you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.